The VEVOR Shower Curb Kit 48 by 72 provides a rigid foam tray with a built-in slope and central drain, so water reliably moves to the outlet without puddling. Its included bonding flange and stainless steel grate feel sturdy and are designed to keep the drain path clear, which is reassuring for long-term use. The kit supplies generous rolls of waterproof membrane plus preformed corners, making it much easier to create a continuous watertight barrier around the shower. 2 lightweight cuttable curbs let you customize the entry width and layout, which is especially helpful in non-standard or remodel situations. The square-notched stainless steel trowel spreads mortar evenly and promotes strong adhesion between the tray, membrane, and substrate, adding to the overall durability of the build. Because it bundles the tray, drain components, curbs, membrane, and tools in one package, this kit streamlines installation for do-it-yourself users and professionals alike.